Today we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2025 Shelby GT350, a car that's set to elevate the legacy of the Shelby Mustang even further. For those who have followed the Mustang's evolution, you know that each iteration brings something special to the table. But the 2025 Shelby GT350 promises to be something truly extraordinary, blending raw power, cutting-edge technology, and an unmistakable presence on the road. Beast, the engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Shelby GT350 features a 5.2-liter V8, which is naturally aspirated to produce around 600 horsepower. It's a refined version of the engine we saw in previous Shelby models, but with additional tuning and tweaks that elevate both power and responsiveness. The engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, a nod to the enthusiasts who still crave the pure, tactile experience of rowing their own gears. However, for those who prefer automatic shifting, there will also be an optional 10-speed dual-clutch gearbox, offering lightning-fast shifts that make the car even more exciting to drive. Performance-wise, the Shelby GT350 is all about precision. It comes equipped with an upgraded suspension system that includes adaptive dampers, making it versatile enough to tackle both the twisty back roads and the high-speed straights of a racetrack. Whether you're out for a Sunday drive or pushing the limits on the track, the handling is crisp, responsive, and feels incredibly connected to the road. The lightweight carbon fiber components, combined with a lowered center of gravity, allow for better aerodynamics, which not only improves performance, but also enhances stability at high speeds. One of the standout features of the 2025 Shelby GT350 is the advanced technology. The interior is a perfect blend of luxury and performance, with a driver-centric cockpit that's designed to make you feel connected to the car. The dashboard houses a large digital display that shows all the important performance metrics, while the new Sync 4 infotainment system ensures you stay connected and entertained. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the premium audio system will make every drive feel like a concert on wheels. But what about the design? The 2025 Shelby GT350 is a stunner. Its aggressive stance, wide-body design, and muscular lines give it an unmistakable presence. The front end features a more prominent grille and wider air intakes, not just for looks, but for improved airflow and cooling. The iconic Shelby stripes run the length of the car, paying homage to the original GT350 models, while adding a modern twist. Another exciting aspect of the 2025 Shelby GT350 is its safety growl that reminds you this car has incorporated a suite of driver assistance technologies, for a carbon fiber lane keeping assist, for even better adaptive cruise control, adding both and blind spot monitoring. These features make the car more approachable for everyday driving, while still providing the raw performance you expect from a Shelby. On the road, the GT350 truly shines. The power delivery is smooth and immediate, with the car eager to accelerate through the rev range. The exhaust note is an orchestral blend of rumble and roar, which only gets more intoxicating as you push it harder. But it's not all about straight-line speed. The Shelby's agility through corners is what really sets it apart. Thanks to its fine-tuned suspension and responsive steering, it feels at home on both tight back roads and wide-open highways. In conclusion, the 2025 Shelby GT350 is a performance car that's ready to push the boundaries of what a muscle car can do. With its combination of raw power, stunning design, and cutting-edge technology, it's a car that's sure to turn heads and leave an unforgettable impression. If you're lucky enough to get behind the wheel, you'll be in for one of the most thrilling driving experiences of your life. Thanks for watching Drive Dynamics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. We'll see you in the next one.